In this Calm Down Advanced Beginner Tap Dance Lesson tutorial, you're going to learn a short combination to the song Calm Down by Rema and Selena Gomez, and I think you're going to have a great time. If you are new here, I'm Rod from UnitedTaps.com, helping people just like you be happier and healthier through tap dance. Without further ado, let's jump right in. Starting with the right foot, you have dig, dig, step, step, dig, dig, step, step. 5, 6, ready, go. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, and from there, Irish right foot and step, Irish right foot and step. I'll show you that new part again. 6, ready, go. Irish right foot and step, Irish right foot and step. Let's put it all together from the top. 6, 5, 6, ready, go. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5, 6 and 7, 8, and let's try that one more time. 6, 5, 6, ready, go. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5, 6 and 7, 8, and from there you have toe, toe, step, step, toe, toe, step, step, followed by clunk, clunk, right buffalo, stamp, stamp. Again, that last part, clunk, clunk, right buffalo, stamp, stamp. Let's go back to the toe, toe, step, step, and connect that into the clunks and buffalo. 6, ready, go. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 8. Again, 6, ready, go. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 8. Beautiful! Let's connect it all from the top. 6, ready, go. And 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5, 6 and 7, 8, and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 8. Beautiful. We're going to run that all again. 5, 6, 5, 6, ready, go. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5, 6 and 7, 8, and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 8. From here, your right foot's free. Dig toe step, 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 dig toe step, step, step. I'm going to show that again. Ready, go. Dig toe step, 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 dig toe step, step, step with counts. 6, 5, 6, ready, go. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, and from there, right foot cramp roll and stamp, left foot cramp roll and stamp. Again, that last part, 6, 7, 8, right foot cramp roll, stamp, left foot cramp roll, stamp. Let's go back and connect it from the dig toe step, 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 and I'll put some counts on it. 5, 6, 5, 6, ready, go. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 7 and certainly we'll do that again. Same thing. 5, 6, 5, 6, ready, go. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 7 and now let's take it from top all the way through, everything you know so far. 5, 6, 5, 6, ready, go. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5, 6 and 7, 8, and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 7 and super. I'm gonna hit that one more time, and then we'll go on. 5, 6, 5, 6, ready, go. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5, 6 and 7, 8, and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 8, and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 7 and excellent. We're going to go on and finish this, but before we do, if you haven't checked out UnitedTaps.com, please take a look on over there. We've got choreography, tap dance lessons, we've got practice exercises, a tap dictionary, workouts across the floor, a little bit of everything. So if you're having a good time right now, hop on over to UnitedTaps.com because we have so much more fun in store for you. And while you're here, please hit that like, subscribe, and notification bell, and take a quick moment to drop a comment down below what you're enjoying, what you might like to see in the future. Anything at all helps us. We appreciate that. I'll give you a second to do it right now. Well, thank you so much. Let's keep moving. So you just finished your right foot cramp roll, stamp, left foot cramp roll, stamp. From here we have toe, 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 step, heel, stamp, followed by toe, 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 step, heel, stamp, scuff. I'm going to show that again. That was toe, 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 step, heel, stamp, toe, 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 step, heel, stamp, scuff. And congratulations, you made it to the end of the combination. I'm going to roll that again with some counts. 6, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, 6, and 7, and 8. Yeah, we'll do it again. Same thing. 6, 5, 6, ready, go. 1, and 3, and 4, and 5, and 7, and 8. Now that's going to be coming out of those cramp rolls. Right foot cramp roll, stamp, left foot cramp roll, stamp. 1, and 3, and 4, and 5, and 7, and 8. So let's practice going from the cramp roll stamps into the toes. 5, 6, right foot leading. 5, 6, ready, go. 5, and 7, and 1, and 3, and 4, and 5, and 7, and 8. Super! I'm gonna roll that one more time, same spot. 6, 5, 6, ready, go. 1, and 3, and 1, and 3, and 4, and 5, and 7, and 8. All right. It's time, my friends. We're going top all the way through. You can do it. We start with dig, dig, step, step. Just in case you forgot, I got your back. 5, 6, 5, 6, ready, go. 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, 6, and 7, 8, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, and 6, and 8, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, and 7, and 1, and 3, and 4, and 5, and 7, and 8. Super, my friends. We're going to roll that one more time. Then we'll put on some music and see how it goes. From the top, 6, 5, 6, ready, go. 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, 6, and 7, 8, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, and 6, and 8, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, and 7, and 1, and 3, and 4, and 5, and 7, and 8. Beautiful. Again, the song that we're tapping to is Calm Down by Rema and Selena Gomez. I'm probably going to drop it maybe 5% slower than normal. And we're starting at 18 seconds into the song. So we'll do it a little under tempo to get a feel. Once we have a good feel for it, I'll boost it back up to real speed. All right, here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8. Here we go. 5, 6, ready, go. Let's hit it one more time at that speed. 5, 6, ready, go. Beautiful. Now I'm going to boost it up to real speed. You can do this. It's going to feel a little faster, but you'll be just fine. I hope. All right, here we go. 5, 6, ready, go. Fall down. adjust. Let's try it again. Same thing, real speed. 5, 6, ready, go!
Calm down, calm down. Yo, this your body, you put in my heart for lockdown, for lockdown, for lockdown. Yo, you sweet like phantom, phantom. If I tell you say I love you, you know they for me young girl, oh young girl. Not tell me no, 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 no,
Super, my friends, let's hit it one more time. Make this your best run. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8.
Baby, calm down, calm down. Yo, this your body, you put in my heart for lockdown, for lockdown, for lockdown. Yo, you sweet like phantom, phantom. If I tell you say I love you, you know they for me young girl, oh young girl. Not tell me no, 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 no.
Beautiful. I'm going to do it one more time facing you. You're not expected to do it with me. This is just so you can see what it looks like from the front, if all goes well.
Baby, calm down, calm down. Yo, this your body, you put in my heart for lockdown, for lockdown, for lockdown. Yo, you sweet like phantom, phantom. If I tell you say I love you, you know they for me young girl, oh young girl. Not tell me no, 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 no.
Well, thank you so much for tapping with me. I hope you had a great time. If you did, be sure to hit that like, subscribe, and notification bell, and take a quick moment to drop a comment, anything you like, a great job, or keep trying, whatever it might be, drop that down there real fast. I'll give you a minute to do that. Awesome, thank you so much. And again, at unitedtaps.com, we have so much fun content. We have full-length lessons. We have full-length choreographed tap dance routines that you can just do for fun or perform locally, or recitals or competitions, wherever you might want to do that. We have across the floor combinations and practice combinations and tap dance dictionary and syllabus. We have a ton of content. I think you'll have a great time. So be sure to check it out at unitedtaps.com. I, of course, am Rod Howe from unitedtaps.com, making you happier and healthier through tap dance.